All right, today we're gonna do a race. It's me versus Carly. We're at this trail here that loops right around a little hill. It's about a 45 to 60 second track. We're gonna give her a 10-second handicap and we're gonna zip around this thing and see who wins. Who do you think is gonna win, me or her? Is it still on? It's about a 60-second track. Do you think it's gonna be close or do you think you're gonna win easily?
Close. Real close.
Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, ready? All right, so turns out I can't catch up to her or pass her with any amount of time given to her ahead. So I think this time I'm just gonna have to start right behind her. And if I pass her, I win. And if I don't pass her, she wins. You ready for that? Weeds on your bike. There's that one jump kind of like into the field. I might actually go off of that this time.
I almost fell out going.
I saw that. All right, let's go.
Jesus.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Ow. Jesus. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. I'm gonna have to get in here and pass her right here. It's my only chance. Ow! Oh my God. I can't do it. Oh my God, how did you do it that fast?
I kept turning.
Did you almost crash?
Just go full send.
You just went full speed the whole time. I was too scared of like spinning out.
I don't want to lose.
I actually hit that jump thing and almost crashed.
Yeah, my back tire went dead one way.
Look at my thing.
Yeah, look at mine.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Well, I guess we know that Carly is the actual winner of this because I actually lost
3-0.
space. Like I went further back.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh my God.
I don't ever lose.
No one expected that result.
I didn't even expect it.
Oh yeah, let's announce the winner to the free grips for the video I made a couple weeks ago. The winner for the free grips is gonna be Jay Movison, who says, I wish I could get my wife to ride. I'm always riding alone, LOL. But some new grips would be sweet. Keep up the vids. Also let me know what color you want. Carly here has blue. I have green. And but there's a few other colors, so just pick whatever ones you want. See you later. Bye. Danny, what are you sending on Snapchat?
Ew.